How to add WhatsApp number on your Facebook page. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add the WhatsApp number on your Facebook page. So first thing first, simply head over to your Facebook application, and inside your Facebook application make sure you are logged in on your Facebook page. And once you're inside your Facebook page, simply click on your profile section and you will be redirected to this page where you can see the three dot icon. Simply click on it, and from over here you can see the add action button. So just click on it, and as you can see I have only added my messenger where my clients can actually message on me. So if you want your clients or customers or followers to message you on WhatsApp, so you can simply click on edit buttons from over here and just add this send WhatsApp messages. And to add your WhatsApp account, you must connect your WhatsApp account first. So just select your country code and for your phone number and simply click on send code. And once you click on send code, it will send you the 5-digit code. You can simply click that code over here just like this and verify your code. Once you verified, you will have successfully created your or attached your WhatsApp number to your Facebook page. So once you restart your Facebook page, make sure you save it from over here, and once you save it, it will appear over here as well, which will be available to all of your clients or followers. So that is exactly how you can add your WhatsApp number on Facebook page. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.